There are some weapons that shouldn't exist, but they do, and in the wrong hands, they could be devastating. Welcome to my channel. So today, we're going to uncover 3 of these forbidden technologies, and you won't believe what they can do. Would you feel safe knowing this tech exists? Viewer discretion is advised for this video, as some of this footage may be offensive or disturbing. We at the channel do not condone or support any form of violence, illegal activity, or hatred towards any group of people. This video is for educational purposes only. First up, we have to look at the active denial system. Now, this weapon isn't your typical laser beam or missile. No, this weapon actually makes you feel like you're on fire. The active denial system is a non-lethal weapon that was developed by the US military to incapacitate enemies without causing physical harm. And it does this by sending high-frequency radio waves into the body, which causes the body's own temperature regulation system to basically go haywire. Imagine being burned alive, but without actually being touched. The victim will feel like they're on fire from the inside out, but they'll actually be unharmed. This technology is so scary that even the soldiers who use it have to wear special suits to protect themselves from the heat. And it's been tested on live animals. The results are horrific. Next, we have to look at the iron beam. This is a laser weapon that's currently being developed by the US military, and it's so powerful that it can literally burn through concrete. It's designed to take out multiple targets at once, and it's so accurate that it can hit a target from miles away. It's like having a sniper on your side, except it's a laser. The beam of light from this weapon is so intense that it can cause the target to explode. And it's all controlled with a computer system that can track and lock onto multiple targets at the same time. This technology is still in development, but it's already being tested in the real world, and it's just a matter of time before it's used in combat. Last but not least, we have to look at the robotic exoskeletons. These are powered suits that can be worn by soldiers to give them superhuman strength and endurance. They're designed to help soldiers carry heavy loads, climb steep hills, and walk through dangerous areas without getting tired. But they can also be used to deliver powerful blows to enemies, and they don't ever need to take a break. There are different types of these exoskeletons, some that look like jetpacks, and others that look like full body armor. They're all controlled by the soldier wearing them, and they give the soldier superhuman strength and endurance. Now, here's the thing about all of these weapons. They're incredibly powerful, and they're being developed by some of the most advanced militaries in the world. But what happens if they fall into the wrong hands? That's why it's so important to stay informed about these technologies and what they could do in the wrong hands. Because when it comes to weapons of war, there's no such thing as too much firepower. Comment below and subscribe for more insane military tech stories you won't believe exist.